Hey guys, do you remember about Oukitel WP5 smartphone? At the end of 2019, we made the first video about this phone. Now I have the smartphone in my hands, so we can do unboxing and full review. Before we start, I want to tell you about main features of this mobile device. Oukitel WP5 is a rugged smartphone with IP68 waterproof case, 5.5-inch display, Helio A22 chipset, triple camera on the back and 8000 mAh battery. The price is very attractive. You can buy this phone on Aliexpress, Gearbest, Banggood and other Chinese stores for only $100. So the smartphone looks very good, but let's not jump to conclusions. As usual, there will be 4 videos about Oukitel WP5 on our channel Tech Brothers. The links to all videos will be in description. You can also subscribe to our channel not to miss new videos. As you can see, the new smartphone from Oukitel comes in a simple white box. There is only company logo on the front side and a sticker with specifications on the back. Inside the box you will find the smartphone with factory film, user manual and warranty card, 10 watts power adapter, USB Type-C cable and OTG cable. The design of Oukitel WP5 is quite standard for rugged phones. The smartphone has only 5.5-inch display, but the overall size is quite large, 152 by 73 by 17 mm. The weight is about 295 grams. As you can see, the phone has quite big bezels on the top and bottom of display. The corners are rounded and covered by rubber. The back panel is also made of soft rubber. You know, this is done to protect the phone from damage during drops and bumps. By the way, Oukitel WP5 is not afraid of water, but remember to close the rubber plug at the bottom. On the rear panel we can see triple camera, flashlight, fingerprint reader and speaker at the bottom. The side faces on smartphone are made of metal. There are power button and a volume rocker on the right side, and microSD SIM slot on the left side. That's all I can say about design of Oukitel WP5. This is a typical budget rugged phone. It is quite bulky and heavy, but it is protected from water, falls, shocks, dust, etc. Talking about display, it has 5.5-inch diagonal and HD resolution, 720 by 1440 pixels. The screen is covered by Corning Gorilla Glass. Actually, HD resolution is not problem for me. I don't even notice that before comparing HD and Full HD displays. Okay, it's time to talk about hardware. Oukitel WP5 is a budget smartphone, so it is powered by entry-level Helio A22 chipset. The phone also has 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal memory. MicroSD slot is available. I will publish the video with performance test of Oukitel WP5 in coming days. The link will be in description. Right now I can show you and do the benchmark, 73,000 points. This is a good result for budget phone. Oukitel WP5 has a triple camera on the back. Yeah, that sounds impressive for a smartphone under $100. However, I think that the second and third sensors are fake. I will check it out in the next video with camera test. The link to it will be in description. The main camera of Oukitel WP5 has 13 megapixels sensor, while the front camera is only 5 megapixels. Perhaps the battery is the main feature of Oukitel WP5. The new smartphone is equipped with 8000 mAh battery. It is really big, so you can expect a longer battery life. However, there is a 10 watts power adapter in the package, so the charging will take a long time. I will test the battery life and charging time in the next video. Most likely, I have already posted the video, so you can look for the link in description. Oukitel WP5 has a speaker on the rear panel. The sound quality is just okay. You can listen to the sample.
Centuries from now, almost all humans have the ability to see. Some say sight was taken from them by God.
Although Oukitel WP5 was released in 2020, it is a budget smartphone, so it doesn't support 5G. However, you can use dual SIM in 4G networks. There is also GPS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth support. So, the main features of Oukitel WP5 is durable and rugged design, big battery and low price. As you understand, this smartphone is not for everyone, because it is quite heavy and bulky. It is almost impossible to carry in jeans pocket. However, if you want the smartphone that will survive after fall, heat or deep in the water, then Oukitel WP5 is a good option. In addition, it has a big battery, you will not have to charge it every day. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.